Okay, so let's begin right now. Um, so as usual, we're going to start off from this fundamental side of things to look at some of the fundamental activities that the market has for us today. So today, being 10th of September 2024, we have just two high impact news made for us today. We have just two high impact news, of which the first is going to be on GBP. The next is going to be on card. So we have again GBP and we have the card news. GBP news already happened by 7 a.m. The next news we're going to be expecting is by 1:30 p.m., which is going to be on the Canadian dollar. Though on this news, we don't have the previous, we don't even have the forecast. So we'll just have to wait for the actual assistance. So 1:30, stay at 1:10, stay active on trading the Canadian dollar news. And tomorrow, which is Wednesday, we're going to be trading the CPI news. We are going to be trading the CPI news. So we're going to be trading the CPI news tomorrow. So let's stay active. Let's stay active and get your account funded as we're going to be trading live. We're going to be trading CPI live. So, having said this, now let's move over to the technical side of things to see some of the technical tendencies we tend to get in the market this afternoon. So, as usual, I'm always going to start from the UXDX. So, let's take a look at what the UXDX is doing. And I will start off from the daily time frame. So, from the daily time frame, yesterday, I analyzed technically that UXDX have been at a very strategic area of which we are pulling to the top of this resistance. So I've seen signs that we are pulling to the top of this resistance right here. So from that resistance, we then tend to see what the market will do. We tend to see what the market will do next. So we tend to see a push to this top here, then a pull. But then if it breaks above here, get a retest, we get a pull to the top. So that is what I'll be expecting from this market. So on the 4 hours, you can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher. Shows you how bullish. Shows you how bullish. sh- Showing you how bullish the market is, and how we we pull to the top. So on the H1, let's see what's happening. Okay, so H1, we can clearly see the structure of this market. The structure is very clear. Because the structure is very clear, we can see clearly that we are having a pull towards the top. We are having a pull towards the top. If we come over to the structure area of this market, why? You can see clearly from here, we are moving higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. So what are we expecting? A new higher high to be formed. So I'm going to be bullish on UXDX. I'm going to be bullish on UXDX. USDX is pretty bullish, so you should look forward to more buying opportunities than selling opportunities on UXDX. Why? Because we are pretty bullish. We are bullish on UXDX. So let's go to GBP USD. And GBP I'm going to start off from the 4 hours time frame. From the 4 hours time frame, we can clearly see that how bullish the market is. So what is happening right here? On the 4 hours, I can clearly see that we are seeing that the market retested this area or on a daily level right here, which it pulled down from there. I'm also seeing that from right here, we are approaching the 4 hour level. This is a 4 hour level right here. So this is a very nice setup for me because we can see how bearish our 4 hour is. Our 4 hour time frame is so bearish. Coming down to the 1 hour, let's see what is happening on the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is bullish. So what am I going to wait for? I'm going to wait for the 1 hour to become bearish in order for me to pick a sell on this trade. So I'll be waiting for the 1 hour to become bearish before I pick a trade, before I pick any trade on this particular, yeah. That is what I'll be waiting for. I'll be waiting for it to become bearish. And when this becomes bearish, I'll pick a trade on it. So stay very much active on this market as it holds a lot of opportunities. It holds a lot of opportunities for us. Okay. So I'll be waiting for a shift of structure. Immediately I get a shift of structure, I'll be selling GBP USD. Remember, DXY is bullish, so GBP USD is just gonna be bearish. So let's look at Euro USD from the 4 hours time frame. Euro USD is giving me a very nice vibe. Why is that? Because we are currently on a very strong 4 hour level. If you look at this, we broke this 4 hour structure level. We are currently retesting this 4 hour structure level on the 4 hours, giving me more tendencies that this market will sell. More tendencies that it will sell. So going down to the 1 hour time frame and the rest, I'm seeing a sign that we're about shifting structure. So immediately we have a proper shift of structure right here. I'll be selling this currency pair. I'll be selling this currency pair. So I'll be looking forward to selling. So this is basically it. So which other currency pair will you have me analyze? I will analyze USD and that will be it. Now this is USD on a 4 hour time frame. On a 4 hour time frame, Oladimeji, please, you are annotating on my screen. So the USD has been bullish since yesterday because you can see you tap on this 4 hour level. We tapped in on this 4 hour level, you put to the top, you pull, you come. I'm expecting this, then to pull up. So I'm expecting a buy on this. Looking at the fact that we are currently even on a daily area of support. It's fine. So we're currently at a very strong area of support. So which is telling me that we should be expecting more buyers. So take a look at this. Higher high, a higher low on a very strong for 1 hour level slash 30-minute level, which is also a 4 hour level, a higher high, a higher low as well, which is also a 4 hour level from this area right here. And what am I expecting? I'm expecting a shift of structure, of which right here we got a shade of structure. This is going to be a good opportunity to actually buy. Looking at the fact that we're on this 4 hours level. So what am I waiting for again? I'm waiting for the market to give me a shift in structure on the 30 minutes slash 1 hour for me to pick up a buy. So this is a very good opportunity, everybody. This is a very good one, a very strong 4 hours level. So getting a 30-minute shift of structure. Now, what do I mean? We're creating right here a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. I want to see a higher high, a higher low, then I'm going to pull this market to the top. So stay very much active on this particular trade because I may be sending out a signal on this trade once it's ready. Stay active on it. I might be sending out a signal on this once it is ready. So stay active on it. Let's stay active on this, please. Okay. So I think this has come to an end of today's morning analysis. I've shown you the tendencies. So what are we expecting? A little pull down here from USDCHF, a pull up, a this, then we're pulling to the top. So that is what is going to happen on USDCHF. So let's stay active. I'll be dropping the signal once it's ready, once the market is set. So we take advantage of this. Thank you, everyone. Um, let me see something very quickly. Let me analyze the last pair, which is GBP AUD.
It's good, good, also good. I'm on good.
Good morning. So, from what I can spot right here, we are pulling down from right here, which I can spot that we are on a very strong daily level. Right here as well, we're on a very strong daily level right here. You can see how market broke above this level. Right here as well, we are on a very strong daily level, 4 hours level rather. So you can see 3 4 hours level. So what happened when the market stepped into all these areas? When it stepped into all these areas, you can see what happened from right here. We got a very good buy. We got a very good buy from this area when the market stopped into this area. The market came back into this area. We got a very good buy to the top. The market is coming back into this area now. So what is happening? We can see that the structure is engineered towards the downside. The structure is engineered towards the downside. But looking at the 4 hour structure, you see that we are very much bullish. So this was just a retracement. Coming on the 4 hour level, we can see that the structure is towards the downside. So something like this is going to be a very good opportunity to buy. So GBP UAD, GBP AUD, as well as GBP AUD, as well as what is the name, USDCHF, we are looking forward to buys and sells. So stay active on this, please. Stay active on this. Thank you, everyone. See you all for afternoon analysis. So USDCHF, we're waiting for buys. GBP USD for sales and GBP AUD buys as well.